Welcome to Auto's Insight, your go-to destination for car maintenance tips, troubleshooting guides, and everything auto-related. Today, we're diving into one of the most serious and expensive engine problems a car owner can face: symptoms of a blown head gasket. If you suspect something's wrong with your engine, recognizing the early warning signs of a blown head gasket could save you from a complete engine failure. Let's go through what to look out for. The head gasket is a critical component that seals the engine block and the cylinder head, preventing coolant and engine oil from mixing and maintaining the proper compression inside the cylinders. When the gasket fails, it can lead to a number of major issues. One of the first symptoms is engine overheating. If your temperature gauge constantly runs hot or the engine overheats even during short drives, it could be due to coolant leaking into the combustion chamber or out of the system because of a blown head gasket. Another common symptom is white smoke coming from the exhaust. This happens when coolant leaks into the engine cylinders and burns along with the fuel. The result is thick, white smoke exiting the tailpipe, especially when starting the engine or idling. If the smoke continues even after warm-up, that's a strong indicator of a head gasket issue. You might also notice milky or frothy oil when you check the dipstick or look under the oil cap. This occurs because coolant and oil are mixing, which should never happen. Oil mixed with coolant not only loses its lubricating properties, but can also lead to long-term internal damage if not addressed quickly. Another sign is loss of engine power or rough idling. A blown head gasket can affect cylinder compression, resulting in poor engine performance, misfires, or even stalling. You may feel a significant drop in acceleration, and the engine might struggle or shake at idle. Low coolant levels without visible external leaks can also suggest internal coolant loss through the head gasket. If you're constantly topping off the radiator or coolant reservoir, yet there are no leaks on the car, it might be escaping into the engine. In addition to these symptoms, the check engine light may turn on. A diagnostic scan may show codes related to misfires, coolant temperature issues, or cylinder imbalance. While these codes don't always point directly to a blown gasket, they are important clues when considered alongside other symptoms. Lastly, bubbling in the coolant overflow tank or radiator is another warning. This happens when combustion gases leak into the cooling system due to the head gasket breach. It creates air pockets in the system, reducing cooling efficiency and causing further overheating. If you notice 2 or more of these symptoms, it's best to stop driving and have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic immediately. Driving with a blown head gasket can quickly lead to warped cylinder heads, complete engine failure, or thousands of dollars in repair costs. Early detection is key. Thanks for watching Auto's Insight. If this video helped you understand blown head gasket symptoms, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive content that helps keep your car running smoothly.